The Symbicort Rapihaler is a metered dose inhaler. We recommend using a spacer for all metered dose inhalers, as this is the most effective way to deliver medication into the lungs. Because the medication is aerosolized, it's important that you shake the device well for about 5 seconds to ensure the medication is mixed properly and the correct dose is delivered. Remove the cap to expose the mouthpiece by squeezing the sides of the cap. With your spacer, put the mouthpiece into the end of the spacer, then put your mouth around the mouthpiece, ensuring you have an adequate seal. Press the inhaler at the top and breathe in 4 times, normally and slowly. Now remove the spacer and pop the cap back on the mouthpiece. The Symbicort Rapihaler has a metered dose at the top of the inhaler. Each inhaler has 120 doses in total. The orange zone shows when 25 or less doses are available, and the red zone indicates that the inhaler is empty. Please remember to rinse your mouth out following use of the Symbicort Rapihaler device.